Hello everyone. Welcome back to MKT Software Tools YouTube channel. Today I will introduce to you how you can build your own Facebook group with high interaction and many members. To build a group with many members, you can use Facebook's friending and invitation algorithm. In order for your group to have more members, you need to make more friends and invite more people to your group. And now use my software to help you manage multiple Facebook accounts. You can use those accounts to make friends with your potential customer UID files automatically. You just need to select the viral marketing section and select the automatic friend addition feature. Next you select and enter the exploited customer UIDs. If you don't know how to get the customer UID, please contact me and I will help you. After entering all the parameters, select the accounts you want to make friends with and then press start. And now let's wait for the miracle that my software will help you with. After you've made friends with the object files you want to drag into your group, please run the feature in the nick raising script that invites friends to join the group. You choose the number of people you want to invite to each account, then press start.